Good morning once again. Welcome to Fred Tech Invest. Today I'm in with a new hook, a new trading thing that Google have introduced for Android users. So imagine you are standing on the street typing text or using Google Maps and your phone is unlocked. Out of nowhere, someone on a bike or on a foot snatch it right out of your hand and takes it off. Because your screen was already unlocked, that thief now has instant access to your WhatsApp messages, private photos, and even banking apps before you even have time to react. But Google added a feature that fix this using AI. It is called thief detection lock. And if you haven't turned it on yet, your phone is completely exposed. Let's fix this right now. So grab your phones and let's go to settings. You go to settings. Then we search for privacy and security. Mine may be different from yours because I'm using Redmi. Others I'm using Samsung, Tecno, Itel. So maybe mine may be different from yours. So this is my password and security. When I go for my password and security, I'll type on my password and security. Then I will come to what? Privacy. When I come to privacy, you can see thief protection is here. Thief protection is here. So you have to click on it. Thief protection. See now it's here. So you see thief detection lock. So you will turn this one on. We'll toggle this one on. You see thief detection lock. Someone display takes your device, then speed away your screen locks if your device is stolen. So you click on OK. So now we have turned it on. Don't stop right there. Right under the setting, you need to turn on off device lock. Why this one is so important? The very first thing a smart TV does after taking a phone is turn off Wi-Fi, turn off mobile data, or pull out the SIM card so you can't track them. So turning on offline device lock locks your phone automatically without anything. When the moment the person snatch your phone from your hand, it will lock automatically. So let's turn off offline device lock. When you turn this one off, you see internet is turned off, device stays offline for a while. Your screen locks. If your device is stolen, just unlock as usual, like your PIN or password. So you click on what? Okay. So now this is what we need to do. In the past, if your phone got stolen, you have to log into your Google account on your computer to use Find My Device. But if you are panicking in public, you don't have time for that. With remote lock, if your phone is stolen, you can browse anyone's phone to go to android.com or lock. Type it in your own verified number, complete lock security, and your stolen phone will lock instantly, even if you can't log into your Google accounts right now. So these are the features that you need to do so that you protect your privacy, you protect your chat, you protect everything on your phone if someone stole your phone. This is a new feature that Google have introduced into Android, and it's AI features. So take note of this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all.